Good morning, another beautiful day. The sun is out, the birds are chirping, and the weather is great. Now, today on our quest for some unique Thai food, we're gonna kick it off at Terminal 21. For those who don't know where Terminal 21 is, take the BTS to Asoke station or just take a taxi, tell them where you're going. Arriving at Terminal 21 and I'm welcomed with this kind of performance. I believe there are performances happening every weekend, so make sure you pass by on a weekend because people are many doing shopping, others are coming here to eat food, and I'm also here watching a free show. Now after the free show, I'm going to be going down to the basement to check out what kind of foods we could find there. Follow along and make sure you don't skip a beat. I'm at this store and I'm gonna be getting some crispy sausages. I believe they are wrapped in dough then fried, and also getting some spring rolls because those are among my favorite. After ordering, you get a sauce. You decide which sauce you want, and that's what we're gonna be getting right now. And the price is 40 baht. This shop right here has the best looking crispy pork belly roll I've seen so far, and I believe this must have been boiled before it was deep fried, and the prices range from 150 to about 500 baht. Next we have the meatballs, which smell incredibly good. Now the small ones go for 10 baht per stick, but then you also have the bigger ones over there that are 50 baht per stick. It's a very big meatball. I believe 2 of them could fill you up. Now after getting the meatballs, we have some fruits here. The strawberries go for about 200 baht. We have some jackfruit, some berries here, some cherries, so whatever fruit you would like, you definitely find them down here. It's been a great experience coming to Terminal 21 to try out all these unique foods at the basement or at the ground floor. Now the performances are still going on, as you can see. The best view you could have is by going to the second floor and looking down to the stage to watch all these beautiful performances. Now it's time for us to head to a different location, and going there we need to take the MRT to that station, and we should be getting off at Watthana station. So remember that location in case you're going to Chinatown from Asoke. Take the MRT and get off at Watthana station. Alright, let's head there right now. Right behind me there is Chinatown. I'm gonna go have a walk through the alley and see what is there. So I'm in the middle of Chinatown right here, and I'm trying to look for what kinds of unique foods I could try here. I also find out whether I could find some authentic Chinese food in this place, and maybe also some Chinese products. So follow along as we walk through Chinatown. Don't forget to subscribe and make it a point to watch my other next videos right over here.